To register a new organization, start by setting up your workspace. Enter your organization's name and choose a unique Workspace subdomain. Next, select your preferred storage data region from the drop-down menu. Check the box to confirm you are an authorized representative and click Continue. In the second step, set up your admin account details. Provide your first and last name, your work email address, and create a secure password that is at least 8 characters long. Finally, read the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and check the box if you agree with them and click Create Workspace. You will then be prompted to check your inbox. We'll send you a confirmation email containing an activation link. Make sure to click this link within 24 hours to verify your email address and activate your workspace. Once activated, you'll be asked to choose your subscription plan. Select the plan that best fits your needs and click Continue. Then, briefly let us know how you heard about us to help us improve. Click Continue once more and you are all set. Click Go to Dashboard to proceed. Welcome to your new admin dashboard. On the right, you'll find a handy setup guide to help you configure your profile, invite team members, and create your first course. If you need personalized assistance, you can easily click Schedule a Call on the left to book a free onboarding session with one of our experts.